Good evening from a beautiful evening in London. Weather's looking amazing and I reckon the sunset will be a stunner. However, tonight we're not going to be catching the sunset, unfortunately. Instead, I've been invited to the reopening of a champagne bar at King's Cross St. Pancras. So excited to go there, catch up with some old friends of mine, and yeah, afterwards we're planning to take some night photography shots around King's Cross, and hoping to take you along there with me. Let's see what it's all about. Just made it to Euston Road, and let me show you guys what the plan is for later. Gonna try sneak up there into that hotel floor up there, get a really good vantage point, and hopefully capture St. Pancras over here. The street down here should hopefully result in some really amazing light trails, given it'll be a bit darker at night then. Let's see how that goes. Just made it to the St. Pancras Renaissance Hotel, which is this beautiful building right here. And let me show you one of the most Instagrammable spots in the whole of London. Check this out. So this purple car over here is always parked here, and with that clock tower in the background, really makes for an amazing picture. Won't be able to take the picture today, because it's blocked by this car over here. So it really wouldn't make for a great picture, but yeah, keep an eye out for this place, and if this car wouldn't be here, you could get a really amazing picture. Just caught up with Damien. Good evening. Who you'll remember from some earlier vlogs of mine. We're gonna head into the train station now and drink some champagne together. I don't want to make this video too promotional, so we'll probably stick to more B-roll of a champagne. It would be boring if this was an advert. Let's go. That's the Eurostar over there, which heads to Paris and Brussels, and soon Amsterdam. Really wish I could be on there, but gotta leave that for another time. Done with drinking the champagne. Right now we're in King's Cross Station and gonna do some shots with Antoine over here.
Hello!
Let's see how that goes. So Antoine, what's your choice of lens for the shot?
Well, this one I'm using a 16-35, which is like a wide angle lens. And just allows you to capture as much as possible of the scene, and you can also stitch. So yeah, hopefully that will do the job for that specific shot. Yeah.
Yeah, because King's Cross pretty big hole, so
it's pretty wide. It's pretty wide.
Yeah, the wide angle lens comes in very, very handy. So the first shot, we tried to go for the obvious and use the wide angle lens to just really capture the size and the grand space that King's Cross Station is. For the next shot, however, I want to try something a little bit different, and this is a really great shot to go for when you're in a train station. So for this I tried to go for a very slow shutter speed, in this case 1 second, and when you see the people rushing through the station, you can get a bit of motion blur of the people walking and trying to catch their train. So this shot is all about capturing that, just getting the essence of what train stations are all about. Antoine, do you want to talk us through what caught your eye here?
I'm not quite sure yet, but I just want to do like a massive stitch basically. So I'm just capturing multiple shots from
slightly different angles, and I'm going to try to merge them in post-production later on.
So a bit like taking a panorama?
So exactly like a panorama, but I'm going to do like 6 shots from bottom to top, basically. So hopefully you can see the whole scene in one big massive shot. So yeah, let's give that a go.
So these are the raw inputs into the final shot that Antoine wants to take. Just scrolling through all the shots, and you can see how that might fit really well into a panorama. And that's a wrap from King's Cross. Let's head over to the next location and get some more night shots. So we made it to the location that I mentioned earlier in the video. Check this out. Here's that street below us. So this is the window I pointed out right at the beginning of the video. Got the cars rushing down on the streets, and we're hoping to turn those to some light trails. And just back there you can see the clock tower that's supposed to form the background of the shot. Let's see if this turns out any good. So this is the setup I'm currently using. What you see attached to the front of the camera just there is a lens skirt. What that does is it blocks up all the ambient light from the room, because often when you shoot in this kind of places, you'll see the lights in the room are impossible to turn off. So if you stand a bit back in the room, and then you should be able to see my reflection over here. So to avoid all the glare and the reflections from the inside of the room, this thing comes in really handy. It just cuts out all the noise. Let's see what that photo turned out that I just took. So that's a wrap from me for tonight. Hope you enjoyed watching and learned something. If you enjoyed watching this video, be sure to like, comment, and if you aren't already, please subscribe. See you in the next episode.